It starts far from the shop, inside bamboo forests built for harvest.
Bamboo reaches harvest size in years, not decades. Harvest is precision, clean cuts to protect the next growth. The factory doesn't wait. Raw bamboo moves in bulk. From plantations across Asia, the poles head to processing plants. Before fiber, cleaning. Dirt and grit destroy machines downstream. Long poles become short feedstock, built for shredders. This is where stalk becomes fiber, violently, on purpose. Water and controlled chemistry soften bamboo into workable pulp. Binders and plant-based strengtheners tune the final paper's performance. Some mills brighten fiber with cleaner systems, aiming to cut harsh impacts. A river of pulp becomes a single moving skin. Drying locks in strength. Too fast and it cracks. Too slow and it weakens. Now the raw material for bags, bamboo paper, shipped as giant rolls. At the bag factory, everything starts with tension and timing. A damaged edge becomes a tear at full speed.
Paper is alive. Humidity decides how it folds.
This roll will be pulled into a machine that doesn't forgive mistakes. Straight tracking equals clean folds and fewer jams. If printing is needed, water-based inks keep the package cleaner end to end. At speed, printing is a controlled tap. Too much pressure, and you bruise the fiber. Drying locks the ink without sealing the paper's ability to break down naturally. The best corrections are tiny, done before waste starts. Width is destiny. Each lane becomes a bag body. Every cut is timed, one drift, and the bottom won't square. Microlayer can add major tear resistance without plastic. Biodegradable adhesive, strong enough to hold, clean enough to disappear later. Now it's no longer a sheet, it's a structure. Length control keeps every stack uniform for packing. A good crease is controlled damage, done so the bag survives real load. Too much glue soaks fiber. Too little fails under weight. 4 folds, 1 base, done in fractions of a second. This press is where load capacity is born.
If it doesn't open clean, it won't survive the customer.
Even waste is managed because fiber is value. Handles need their own engineering, soft in hand, strong under pull. Twist creates strength, like a rope, but biodegradable. Every handle must match, otherwise the bag hangs crooked. The loop shape is comfort and leverage. Tiny patches prevent the most common failure, handle tear out. Adhesive, handle, patch, layered like armor, but still paper. This is the moment the bag earns the right to be carried. Give the glue time. Seconds here save failures out there.
Quality control is physical. If it fails here, it won't ship. Bamboo fiber pays off here. Strength without permanence.
From here, it's logistics. Volume measured in thousands. Packed dry, packed tight, so edges arrive sharp. Final armor isn't permanent, just enough to ship. From factories to cafes, markets, and brands, this is the global route.
A modern symbol. Built by machines, chosen by people, meant to leave less behind.
This video is created through a human-AI collaboration. The concept, storyboard, and final visuals are developed using original ideas, with high-quality scenes generated using Veo 3 and refined through professional editing. All content is created from scratch as digital artwork and follows YouTube's 2026 monetization policies. We do not use reused or inauthentic content.